The size and layout matter. Your home's size and layout aren't just about the present, they need to accommodate your future. Think about how your family might grow or change over the years. A couple starting out may not need extra bedrooms now, but having space for a nursery or a guest room later is invaluable. If you're an empty nester, you might prefer a layout that reduces unnecessary square footage, but maximizes comfort and functionality. Pay close attention to the flow of the home. Open floor plans are fantastic for families who love shared spaces, while separate rooms can provide privacy and quiet retreats. Look at the kitchen. Does it suit your culinary needs? Are the bathrooms adequate for the number of people who will live there? And what about storage? Closets, garages, and even hidden nooks make a huge difference in a home's livability. The placement of rooms is another key consideration. Bedrooms on separate floors might sound appealing, but it may not work if you have young children or mobility concerns. Similarly, a sprawling staircase might look grand, but it could be a challenge for aging in place. A well-thought-out layout ensures your home remains functional and enjoyable through all phases of life. A forever home should feel like a blank canvas for your dreams. Whether you're hosting holiday dinners, welcoming grandchildren, or relaxing on quiet weekends, its size and layout should adapt to your evolving needs. Choose wisely, and your home will grow with you.